Hi everyone, today I'm going to showcase you how to extract data from PDF using UiPath. So we are going to extract some of the field values from PDF. Okay, so here this is the PDFs you can see. This is the PDF I got when I did some courses from UiPath. So I downloaded this invoice PDF and I used this PDF for automation just for testing my workflows. Okay, so we are going to extract this invoice and invoice date. Okay, here is the code. As you can see over here, the important thing is before going ahead with the UiPath PDF, we need to make sure that we download this package, UiPath PDF activities. Okay, you can get these from the all packages. There it is. It has already been installed on my machine. Okay, so what we have done over here is we are using the get text activity. So as you can see, get text activity in I'm just trying to fetch the invoice number. Okay, let me showcase you. Okay, if I click on highlight, you can see using get text activity, I'm able to extract data for invoice number and invoice date. Okay, let me start the bot. You can see here it's invoice number, it's been fetching 890127, and you can see its invoice date is 27/1/2016. Okay, however, you can save this data in one of your Excel file for reference. Okay, I hope I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thanks a lot.